won't be long. I'll be the one who's tough. You'll be the one who got it rough. Won't be long, and maybe I'll be real strong. Maybe I'll do things right. Maybe I'll start tonight. You'll learn to cry like me. Honey, just let's wait and see. It won't be long, and maybe I'll be real strong. You'll control me, you'll so hold me. You'll me till I'm free. To the pain that shakes me, finally makes me get off of my knees. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'll be fast as you. Maybe I'll break hearts too. I think that you'll slow down. Your turn to hurt comes around. I'll break hearts and be as fast as you. Ah, it's okay. Till I'm free. The pain that shakes me finally makes me get up off of my knees. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maybe I'll be fast as you. Maybe I'll break hearts too. But I think that you'll slow down. Your turn to hurt comes around. I'll break hearts and be as fast as you.
All right, thank you.